Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we're going to talk about geometric mean. Supposing in these 3 years, in 2018, 2019, 2020, I have this much investment. So let's say in 2018 I invested $1,000 and it grew to $1,400 in 2019. And in 2020 it fell back to $1,000. So if I were to find the percentage change of my investment or the growth of my investment, I would do basically new minus old investment divided by the old investment times 100. And it would come up to be 40%. So between 2018 and 2019, my investment grew by 40%. And then between 2019 and 2020, it fell by 28%. So I'm just going to copy and paste the formula here just for your benefit. Now the issue here is if I were to find the average returns of my investment, the average would be, if I just did average of these two numbers, it comes up to be 5.71%. Now if somebody tells me my money grew by 5.71% over these 3 years, I would see that as quite not correct because I started at 1,000. By 2020, I ended back at 1,000. So it doesn't seem to be the right number to follow. That's where we come up with geometric mean. In this case, we are looking at the average increase, but what we will do is instead of calculating the percentage change this way, we are going to do it in a different way. We will do 1 plus the change or the percentage change. So the new minus old divided by the old, and just leave it at that. So it's showing that my money grew by 1.4 times what it was in 2018. I would do the same thing for 2019, so I'll just drag this formula below, and I get 0.71. Now what I will do is I will calculate the geometric mean, which comes up to be equals to, I'm going to use the formula geomean of these two numbers, and it comes up to 1, which is telling me that my number, basically between 2018 and 2020, my number grew by a factor of 1. In other words, it's saying that my investment did not grow at all over those 2 years. So I'm going to copy and paste these numbers here, or these formulas here, so you can see how I calculated the geometric mean. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you at a later video. Goodbye.